In this video I'm going to show you how can you fix add friend option is not showing on your Facebook. So let's jump right into it. Now if you are trying to add someone and you don't see the option, there are a few reasons for that. The common reason is privacy settings. If someone declined your friend request and chosen not to receive future requests, Facebook won't allow you to send another friend request. Now, if you look into your account settings, under Audience and Visibility, there's an option, how people can find and contact you. Now you will find who can send you friend requests. If someone has set this to friends of friends and you don't have mutual friends with them, then you won't see the option to add them as a friend. So, if you are not seeing the add friend option on Facebook, it's likely due to privacy settings on the other person's profile. Unfortunately, there's no way to override these settings. You can try reaching out to them directly if you know them personally to connect on Facebook. I hope this video cleared up why you might not see the add friend option on Facebook. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips.